Hi and welcome to Tips from the Hips, the best hips and tips on the internet. And today I've got a couple of tips on how to produce a lovely glass-like finish on exotic hardwoods like this piece of rosewood. First of all, use a toothed blade like this one, either in a standard plane or a low angle jack like I've got here. Cutting lots of individual channels in the wood means it's far less likely to tear out when you're taking deep cuts. Once you've prepared your wood nice and flat and almost to size, switch over to a high angle blade. Now this can either be by putting a back bevel on a standard plane, or in the low angle jack here I've got a 50-degree bevel on my iron. Set that for a very fine cut with a nice close mouth on it, and on the low angle planes you can just adjust the mouth, undoing the knob here and turning the lever, so make that nice and tight. Very thin shaving. It should go without saying that you've got to keep your irons sharp, and you should better get 1 thou shavings off the wood. You won't get tear out and you'll end up with a lovely finish like we have over here. That's straight off the plane, and with some polish on it, that's going to be super. For woodworking tips from the hips and much more, subscribe now, and if you share this video I'll send you some positive woodworking vibes.